We often frame the value of artificial intelligence through the lens of efficiency and labor, the idea that software can eventually perform complex tasks for a fraction of the cost of a human worker. However, training and running frontier models currently requires a physical infrastructure that consumes gigawatts of power and costs billions in specialized silicon. At this scale, the hardware itself is becoming a primary limit on the return on investment. This tension was the central theme of the Computex 2026 conference. NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang took the stage, but instead of focusing exclusively on his own graphics processors, he looked out over the crowded trade show floor and publicly endorsed a connectivity specialist named Marvell Technology as the next potential trillion-dollar giant. To understand why the leader of the GPU market would point to a networking company, we have to look at the physical barriers inside the data center. Solving these hardware limitations is a core requirement for AI to reach its predicted economic scale. Modern AI training is no longer limited by how fast individual chips can compute. The constraint has shifted to how fast those chips can communicate. We can see the scale of this problem as clusters expand from a few dozen servers into interconnected superclusters of 100,000 GPUs, all of which must synchronize their data every few milliseconds. While the internal math happens in nanoseconds, moving massive data tensors between these thousands of nodes creates severe congestion at every junction point in the network. This creates a phenomenon known as tail latency. In these massive clusters, a single delayed packet can force thousands of surrounding GPUs to sit idle, waiting for that specific data to arrive before they can compute the next step. The physical limit is traditional copper cabling. At these distances and speeds, copper generates extreme heat and suffers from signal degradation, making it increasingly difficult to link massive GPU rows without losing data integrity. When $30,000 GPUs sit idle because the network fabric cannot move data fast enough, the cost of training a model begins to outweigh the efficiency gains of the AI itself. This is where Marvell Technology fits into the stack. They don't manufacture GPUs, they build the high-speed data highways that allow those GPUs to function as a single unit. Their primary solution is the Teralynx switch architecture, which is the first in the industry capable of routing 102.4 terabits of data per second. To illustrate the pace of this development, that hardware effectively doubles the networking capacity that was the industry standard only a year prior. As we see in this close-up of teal fiber optic cables, Marvell is moving the industry away from copper and toward light. Their 1.6 terabit silicon photonics transmit data using lasers directly from the cluster. Switching from electrical signals to light allows for longer distances with higher integrity, which can reduce the total interconnect power consumption of a data center by up to 20%. Beyond switching, Marvell is also co-designing internal accelerators for cloud giants like Amazon and Google. This custom silicon business, shown here in a fabrication environment where a technician holds a silicon wafer, is projected to reach $10 billion in revenue by fiscal year 2029. By combining these high-speed switches, photonics, and custom accelerators, Marvell provides the physical interventions necessary to prevent GPU clusters from stalling at scale. NVIDIA's support for this technology isn't just verbal. In March 2026, they took a $2 billion strategic equity stake in Marvell to deepen their technical collaboration. This investment targets a specific divide in the industry. NVIDIA has traditionally dominated using its own proprietary networking ecosystem called InfiniBand. However, hyperscalers like Meta and Amazon are increasingly moving toward open standard Ethernet networks to maintain flexibility and avoid being locked into a single hardware vendor. By investing heavily in Marvell, NVIDIA is positioning itself to lead the open Ethernet market, ensuring its GPUs remain the standard regardless of which networking protocol the customer chooses. This alliance demonstrates that even the market leader in compute cannot ignore the requirement for an open, high-speed networking partner as clusters grow. This matrix shows how the AI networking stack is structurally divided into 4 layers: the compute engines, the copper and electrical connections, the optical layer, and the software control plane. Broadcom remains the largest force in merchant silicon, holding a massive footprint in the traditional copper and electrical switching layers. NVIDIA, meanwhile, controls the proprietary compute layer and the orchestration software that makes the chips work together. Marvell is unique because it is currently the only company with a product portfolio that spans across Ethernet switching, silicon photonics, and custom AI accelerators simultaneously. This specific combination is why NVIDIA identified Marvell as the partner capable of bridging their proprietary GPU clusters with the open standard Ethernet fabrics that dominate the rest of the industry. We are seeing a shift in how tech giants allocate their capital. While GPUs remain the single largest expense, the proportion of data center budgets dedicated to networking infrastructure is growing at a faster rate than the compute itself. As the scale of these clusters continues to expand, the infrastructure that moves data between chips is becoming just as critical to the total performance as the chips themselves. While solving networking bottlenecks won't address every cost associated with AI, it's a prerequisite for scaling. Without high-speed optics and switching, even the world's most powerful processors spend too much of their life cycle waiting for data, keeping the cost of intelligence artificially high. For more on the science and infrastructure shaping the future of AI, like and subscribe to KYC AI Labs. Thanks for watching.